armed.
Hello. We're at the Oak Grove test track today with the Yuneec H520 testing the ET thermal camera. This is a training exercise to search for a missing four-wheeler. The four-wheeler is not actually missing, of course. We parked it under some trees as part of the exercise. Do you see that blip at about 45 degrees? Let's back up and check it out. Notice that we're at a high altitude. The four-wheeler is turned off, but the engine is still warm. We'll turn off the thermal overlay and let the RGB low-light camera take a closer look. It is about 1 hour after sunset, so there is enough light for the RGB camera. This RGB camera is many times more sensitive than human eyes. You can see it is the machine in question. Now I'll play with the settings and try to get the exact temperature differential. For the second flight, we'll cruise around Oak Grove. The sun has gone down, but there's still a lot of residual heat in the grass, on the ground, and also in the trees. Let's check it out. Notice the temperature swing from the darker blues to the brighter yellows. Well, looks like a bogey sneaking around down there. Thanks for watching. This is a BazaCat production.